Hey, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. This is one of the ways that we get to travel full time. We own multiple rental properties, and this is a new vacancy. The people lived in here for 17 years. There's the doorknobs right there. The 3 bedrooms have no doors. Gotta love it. So it's a little rough, and it's going to need a full gut job. So that is what we are helping our property management company with. My husband's going to demo the carpeting, and I'm working on filling in the thousands of pinholes. Let's see if I can show you, hit the pinholes. This room actually doesn't look like it has the kind of pinholes, but the kitchen was filled with hundreds of pinholes. She was a teacher, so I imagine she had a lifetime supply of push pins to use as she needed. Oh yeah, so here you go. Look at this wall. Let's see if I can even get an angle to show you. It is filled with holes that I am going to have the joy of filling in. There's hundreds and hundreds on each wall. So anyhow, that's what we do. Here's this wall filled with pinholes everywhere. So that's my weekend chore. Tomorrow I do get to go to stamp camp and have fun doing crafting after a full day of working on this. Oh, look at this wall's awesome too. And then Sunday we will be back at it. The painters come Monday, so we have to be ready to paint on Monday, so we will work as many hours as it takes to get ready. The bathrooms are in decent shape. The floors will still need to be changed, and it needs painting. But we did all approve the tub. The tub needs new caulking, but other than that, at least the tub and the surround don't have to be replaced. Now I'm going to go downstairs. I could hear my husband calling because he wants me to go get something out of the truck for him. So I will go do that. For whatever reason on this stairwell here, they did not have any protective wood. So the whole stairwell is completely beat to bits. So that all has to get fixed. And of course the carpet is a mess. After 18 years or 17 years, I don't blame it for being a mess. But it's a nice place. It has a nice big bay window. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. That's the beep of the fire alarm. And then my husband has to do some prep on the fireplace too before Monday. Lots of work, lots of work. Thanks for watching. Hi, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. After 3 days of hard work, I'm going to walk through and make sure we're fully prepped for paint tomorrow. I'm just checking that all of the electrical... There's an outlet here as well. Let's just see if everything is ready. There were so many pinholes. It's amazing. But we got everything off, all the doors, all the molding. I'll go show you guys what that looks like. It's all in the garage, everything carefully labeled. And this master bedroom is actually quite large with 2 closets. Everything looks ready in here. And then it has a 3rd small bedroom. All right, I think the upstairs is ready to go. We even got the appliances out and moved them into the garage. So that will be better for the painters. This is like 1,150 square feet, I believe. And then out here, there's some of the carpeting because there were double layers of carpet upstairs. All the doors, the appliances, everything is happy in here, all the lighting fixtures. So I think we're good to go, and the painters are going to be here. I think they're going to take 2 to 3 days. Thanks for watching.